Hey, welcome back. Today we're doing something super practical in Marathi. The little actions you do every single day. Wake up, get dressed, bathe, sleep. Real life stuff. The kind of Marathi you can actually use instead of just admiring from a distance. Like, wow, nice language, maybe one day. No, today is that day. And here's the big idea. In Marathi, for daily routine actions, you usually don't need a special reflexive structure, like in some other languages. You just say the action naturally. So instead of worrying about complicated grammar, think in simple chunks. I wake up. I bathe. I get dressed. Nice and clean. We'll use very common everyday forms. You'll hear a lot of me, meaning I. And for masculine speech, you'll hear forms like ukto, karato, khalto, zhoto. If you're a woman, these often become utte, tarte, ghalte, zhopte. I'll mention both when useful, but I'll keep the flow simple so your brain doesn't run away. Let's start with waking up. The core verb is utne, to get up or wake up depending on context. Super useful. How do you say I wake up early in Marathi? Mi laukar uthto. Mi laukar uthto. If you're female, that would be mi laukar uthte. Mi laukar uthte. Laukar means early. Uthto means I get up or I wake up. So the whole chunk, mi laukar uthto, means I wake up early. And here's a tiny memory trick. Laukar sounds a bit like lovely quick if you stretch your imagination. Early equals quick start. Laukar, early. Now let's make it more physical. Sometimes in English, wake up and get up are different. First, your eyes open. Then your body leaves the bed after negotiating with life. Marathi often uses the same core verb, utne, but context makes it clear. How do you say I get up from bed in Marathi? Mi bedvarun uthto. Mi bedvarun uthto. Bedvarun means from the bed. Nice practical Marathi-English mix there. Very natural in speech. You could also hear khatevarun in some contexts for cot or bed. But bedvarun is easy and common in casual speech. So now you have two useful chunks. Mi lavkar uthto, I wake up early, and mi bedvarun uthto, I get up from bed. Notice something important. We are not building some special myself sentence. Marathi just says the action directly. That's one of today's main shortcuts. Don't over-translate from English. Keep it natural. Let's keep moving. After getting up, maybe you brush your teeth, wash your face, and get dressed. We're focusing on the dressing part now. The useful phrase is kapde ghalne, to put on clothes, to get dressed. How do you say I get dressed quickly in Marathi? मी पटकन कपडे घालतो. मी पटकन कपडे घालतो. Patkan, or more carefully, patkan means quickly. Kapde means clothes. Ghalto means I put on. So literally it's I quickly put on clothes. That's exactly how Marathi likes to say I get dressed. Very practical. Here's a little pattern tip. For many daily actions, Marathi often prefers an action phrase instead of one single special verb. Kapde ghalne, put on clothes. Anghor karne, do a bath, meaning bathe. Zhopne, sleep. So if you learn these as chunks, you'll sound much more natural than if you try to invent things word by word. Let's add one more line around clothes. How do you say I change clothes in Marathi? मी कपडे बदलतो. मी कपडे बदलतो. Nice. Badalto means change. मी कपडे बदलतो, I change clothes. If female, मी कपडे बदलते. Now bath time. The natural phrase is anghor karne, to bathe or take a bath. How do you say I take a bath in Marathi? मी आंघोळ करतो. मी आंघोळ करतो. मी आंघोळ करतो. Very common, very useful. If you want I take a bath in the morning, You can say, मी सकाळी अंघोळ करतो. Sakari means in the morning. Quick side note, Marathi often uses time words with the little ending e, like sakari in the morning, ratri at night. Don't worry about the grammar label, just learn them as ready-made time words. How do you say I take a bath in the morning in Marathi? मी सकाळी अंघोळ करतो. मी सकाळी अंघोळ करतो. Beautiful. Now sleeping. The verb is झोपणे, to sleep. Very common, very important, especially if life is busy and your bed is your best friend. How do you say I sleep late today in Marathi? मी आज उशिरा झोपतो. मी आज उशिरा झोपतो. Az means today. Ushira means late. झोपतो means sleep. And if you want the opposite, I sleep early, that's मी लवकर झोपतो. How do you say I sleep early in Marathi? मी लवकर झोपतो. मी लवकर झोपतो. Nice symmetry there. लवकर उठतो. Wake up early. लवकर झोपतो. Sleep early. Same helpful time word. Let's build a tiny daily routine now, one step at a time. Listen and repeat in your head, or out loud if nobody's judging you. And if they are judging you, let them. You're learning Marathi. That's cool. मी लवकर उठतो. I wake up early. मी बेडवरून उठतो. I get up from bed. मी पटकन कपडे घालतो. I get dressed quickly. मी सकाळी अंघोळ करतो. I bathe in the morning. मी रात्री लवकर झोपतो. I sleep early at night. That is already a solid mini routine. Now, one thing learners sometimes mix up, उठतो can mean wake up or get up, depending on context. If you say मी लवकर उठतो, people usually understand I wake up early. If you say मी बेडवरून उठतो, now it clearly means I get up from bed. Context does the work. Nice and efficient. Another common mistake, trying to say I dress myself too literally. In Marathi, just say मी कपडे घालतो. I put on clothes. I get dressed. No need to force on myself. Same for bathing. मी अंघोळ करतो is enough. Clean, simple, natural. One more mistake, forgetting the gender ending. If you're male, often use to, like उठतो, घालतो, करतो, झोपतो. If you're female, often use te, like उठते, घालते, करते, झोपते. You don't need to memorize a giant chart right now. Just notice the sound pattern. To for many masculine first-person daily routine forms, te for many feminine ones. Let's add a couple more useful phrases so this feels like real life. How do you say, I wash my face in Marathi? मी चेहरा धुतो. मी चेहरा धुतो. That's a handy one. Chehra is face. Dhuto means wash. In casual real speech, you may also hear people describe the action in slightly different ways, but this is a simple, useful A2 level line. How do you say, I wear clean clothes in Marathi? मी स्वच्छ कपडे घालतो. मी सकाळी लवकर उठतो. I wake up early in the morning. मी लवकर उठतो. मी लवकर उठतो. How do you say I take a bath in Marathi? मी आंघोळ करतो. मी आंघोळ करतो. How do you say I get dressed quickly in Marathi? मी पटकन कपडे घालतो. मी पटकन कपडे घालतो. How do you say I sleep early in Marathi? मी लवकर झोपतो. मी लवकर झोपतो. Very nice. Before we wrap up, here are the key takeaways. First, Marathi daily routine language is often direct and natural. No need to force reflexive thinking. Just say the action. मी उठतो. मी आंघोळ करतो. मी कपडे घालतो, मी झोपतो. Second, learn useful chunks, not isolated words. कपडे घालतो, get dressed. आंघोळ करतो, bathe. बेडवरून उठतो, get up from bed. Chunks save time, and they sound more natural. Third, remember the little pattern with masculine and feminine forms. Uठतो and uठते, करतो and करते, झोपतो and झोपते. Even noticing this casually helps a lot. And one last tiny trick. Connect the day like a movie in your head. Eyes open, uठतो. Body leaves bed, bedवरून उठतो. Clothes on, कपडे घालतो. Bath, आंघोळ करतो. End of day, झोपतो. If you can picture it, you can remember it. You did great today. These are not fancy textbook sentences floating in space. These are your real-life Marathi building blocks. Use them tomorrow morning, even if only in your head. मी लवकर उठतो. मी आंघोळ करतो. मी कपडे घालतो. Bit by bit, this starts to feel natural. Keep going. You're doing heavy language lifting without making it look heavy.